Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to add an item to your watch list on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add an item to your watch list just so you can keep track of its price, or maybe you want to keep track of how much is left. How do you actually go ahead about doing this? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is hop into the eBay app, and then once you're on the eBay app, let's go ahead and find an item that we want to go ahead and add to our watch list. So we're just going to click on this item here as an example. Once you're on this item here, you want to click on the three dots on the upper right hand corner and then click on watch this item. Once you've done that, you can simply just access your watch list. So if we go into the my eBay icon on the bottom left hand corner and then click on watch list, you'll see that we now see the item that we just added to our watch list. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add an item to your watch list. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.